Hello, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So there's a whole lot of recipes doing the round on YouTube using the ripe mangoes. And I came across a recipe using mangoes to make a paratha. So we are trying that recipe today. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description box below. Please do check it out. Let's have a look at the ingredients required to make the paratha. I've got wheat flour in here, wheat flour or atta. I've got red chilli powder, salt and jeera powder or cumin powder. Some water, and I've taken a small mango, cut it into pieces and pulsed it in the mixie into a puree. I've got around half a cup of puree here. So these are the ingredients required for the paratha. Of course, we'll need some oil to make the parathas in, oil or ghee, whatever you like. So let's start making the paratha. So for the first step, I'm going to add the salt, red chilli powder and jeera powder into it. Mix it well. Now we'll add the mango pulp. Mix that as well. Let's mix the mango pulp into the atta. Now we'll add sufficient water and make it into a paratha dough. I've taken around 1/4 cup of water here. Depending on how much you need, you can adjust it accordingly. I think I can add a little more. So the dough is ready. We'll close the bowl and keep it aside for 15 minutes for the dough to rest. So it's been 15 minutes. Let's take the dough and divide it into equal sized balls. You'll be able to get 6 balls out of 1 cup of atta. So we'll just take 1 bowl of the dough, keep the rest covered, flatten it into a peda, dip it in some atta and start rolling it. Roll it into a small round. Then fold it into a semicircle and bring the edges to the center like this so that it becomes a square. Now seal this completely, flip it down, add some more atta and let's roll the paratha. The idea is to make this into a square paratha. So my first paratha is ready. I'll make the rest of them in the same way. got a tawa heated up here. Let's put the paratha on the tawa. You can use oil or ghee to cook the paratha. I'm using oil in here. Cook the parathas from both sides until it's done by flipping it over. Once it's done from both sides, you can take it into a plate. And we'll cook the rest of the parathas in the same manner. So mango paratha is ready. Serve this with some raita and pickle. Now if your mangoes are very tart, you can add a little bit of sugar to the pulp and mix it up so that the paratha doesn't turn out to be very tart. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.